lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments down below how your day is going. Don't forget to like this video because it helps me out. Make sure that you are subscribed and have that bell notification on because we have a few videos going on right now, and then a few more will be in June. All summer, actually, there's going to be giveaways. So make sure you have that bell on so that you will be notified when I upload my videos, because you know YouTube isn't sending all the notifications out. And make sure you share this video because when we get to 35,000, we're going to have a huge giveaway. Right now, we do have a 30K going on right now that you will have 3 winners. But when I get to 35, we are going to have a big one with 5 winners. So try to share the video so we can get there soon. I've already started my 35,000 giveaway. So that's everything that I have to say. If you read from the title, I am going to be unboxing the Target beauty boxes. So if you don't know, every month Target has boxes. Now they're not subscription boxes because it's not something that you sign up and every month they'll take it right out of your card. This is where once it launches, you have to go in and buy it before they sell out. They're usually $7 a piece, and you can get anywhere between 1 and 4 boxes that they have, different variations. Depending on if they curate it with somebody, it may be $10. Certain ones, they have like holiday ones, and they're a little bit more, like maybe $10, sometimes $15. But this month, they have the men's and the women's, and both of them were $7. So I got both of them. I'm not sure which is which. Oh, I almost dropped that. I caught that puppy. I'm not sure which is which. Maybe this is the women's because of the color, and this is the men's. So that's good. I think they had the men's maybe because it's Father's Day this month. I don't know. But let's open them up, and we'll do men's versus women. Women's box. I don't know how you would say it. Girls versus boys. Which one is better this month? All right, so I think this would be the women's box. We shall see. I did say I do have that 30K giveaway going on, and then I also have another giveaway. It is the Sephora and Moschino palette. I'll leave a picture right here, and that is in one of the last few videos. You can get in on that. All right. So this is what the box looks like. It's really pretty. And that's what it looks like when you open her up. So you always get like a coupon. So right here, this is a $3 off that usually if you use, let's see what this one is. It expires June 30th. And you can, as long as you purchase $15 or more in the beauty department, you can use this $3. So this has to be the girls because it has pink wrapping. Well, I mean, that doesn't matter. But, all right, so let's see. And this is really nice, too, what's in here. And this is only $7. This is how I look at it. I look at it as you just pay for shipping and everything is free. All right, so this is the Vinnie Lux Mini Duo Romantic 7-Day, what are you, nail polishes, I guess? Right there. So it doesn't give you prices, but it just says this is a 2-step system coupled with Pro-Light technology, builds resistance to chips and enhances durability so nails stay perfectly polished all week long. That's a big claim because I don't get my nails done and I don't paint them too often because they chip. I'm constantly doing things, washing dishes, cleaning. I love to use bleach and they just chip. So they only usually last me a day or two, and so that's why I never usually paint them, but I'll definitely try this out because if this could last me even 3 days, I'll be satisfied. All right, the next thing is by, Pixie. I love Pixie products. This is a T-Zone peel-off mask right there. Now, I hope this is a peel-off mask because you ever get masks that say it's peel-off and then you go, peel it off and you have to wash it off? I hate that. Okay, so this just says unique green superfood blend instantly draws out impurities and lifts away oil to reveal nourished, glowing skin. Apply a thick, even layer to your T-zone only. Let sit until completely dry, then gently peel off. Okay, so good. So that's what it looks like right there. All right. The next thing is this Pantene Intense Rescue Shot. Okay, so this is skincare right there. And this says, where you be? Intense Rescue Shots. Oh, this is a hair treatment. Okay. Blend of Provitamin B5 strengthening lipids and natural glycerin helps repair damaged hair. So locks are soft. Am I reading that right? So locks are soft, shiny, and more resilient after just one use. I mean, you know, guys, you have to use something more than one time. But, all right, it says, apply generously from root to tip to fully saturate strands and use weekly for best results. So, there we go. Let's see how big the sample is. Oh, my God, look. Okay, see the box? I mean, the box isn't really big anyway. But when you open it up, it's like, where you be, right? All right, so depending on how thick your hair is, thin, long, or short, right there. All right, so for me, I'll get maybe 1 or 2 uses. Okay, all right. Then we have this Herbal Essence Dry Shampoo right there. Now, we got a dry shampoo. What the heck did I get it in? I got it in a box. I just recently got it in a box, but I can't remember which one. And my problem is because I have dark hair, a lot of dry shampoos, when you spray it, it'll leave sometimes a white cast. Even when you, like, try to work it in, sometimes it looks like dandruff. So I'm very funny on ones that I use, but I'll definitely try it out because I love, like, their shampoo and conditioner. Like, it smells amazing. And last but not least, oh, it's another dry shampoo. You know what? I didn't read up on this Herbal Essence. Okay, where you be? It just says this is a Bio Renew Revitalized Cucumber and Green Tea Dry Shampoo. Bio Renew formula made with cucumber and green tea instantly absorbs oil and adds texture, leaving hair healthy, shiny, and smelling yummy. And then we have the Tresemme one. I don't think I've heard of this one before. And this says, between washes, volumizing dry shampoo, infused with mineral clay and citrus, a quick spurts at the roots and revitalize day-old hair so locks look fresh and full of life. So let's recap what we got for $7. So we have 2 dry shampoos. We have the Pantene for your hair. We have this Pixie peel-off mask, and it's for just your T-zone. So this is more if you're more oily skinned. And what else? Oh, and this is probably one of my favorite things. If it works, I'm definitely excited to try that puppy out. So that's everything for $7. I definitely think it's worth $7. Let me know down below if you think it is. And then, like I said, you get that $3 coupon as well. All right, so let's see what is in the men's box. So this is $7 as well. And we'll see which one is better. There is that. Such a pretty color, that green. All right, that's what it looks like. Okay, you get a $3 off as well. And when you open it up, I see like 2 full-size items in this one. I mean, this might be a little better. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Old Spice Deep Sea. And this is a full-size, guys, deodorant. My 14-year-old loves Axe. So does my oldest son. My oldest son will be 24 in November. I'm like, oh my God, I'm getting old. I'm just giving this to my husband, but I can't really smell. I was going to take this off, but I don't want to do that. So this says it's new on there, if you guys can see. All right, so that's pretty good. Let's see what it says. It says Old Spice Freshener Collection Deep Sea Invisible Solid Deodorant reduces sweat, goes on invisible, and stays dry so you smell fresh and feel clean. All right, the next full-size product is a razor. I mean, I might take this for myself. I love men's razors. So it's Gillette. That's what it looks like right there. And I should have ordered 2, actually 3 for all my boys, my husband and my 2 boys. All right, this is, it just says, so it's a Gillette Skin Guard men's razor. Unique Skin Guard razor minimizes tugs and cuts hair at skin level, preventing irritation and ingrown hairs. Okie dokie. And then is a dry spray right there. What the heck is that? So we got that. And then we got this Head and Shoulders 2-in-Men. So I'll probably give this to my youngest son, who is 14. He'll be 15 in July. His birthday's coming up because he has eczema. He suffers from that, and then sometimes he gets like dandruff, so he likes to use Head and Shoulders. And last but not least is a sample, is face. Okay, so you get shave gel, face wash, and moisturizer. So it's foil packets right there. All right, so let's recap what we got. So we have the foil packets. We have, this is a decent sized sample too, guys. We have the Head and Shoulders. Oh, I didn't show you this. This is the Crest deodorant right there. So we got that. We have the dry shampoo. We have a razor, and then we have the deodorant, guys. That, I think the men's box definitely won because you have 2 full-size items. I mean, that is pretty good. I'll let you know. I'll leave down below if they're still available, if they are. And then a lot of times, like the months before, if they didn't sell out, they're usually, the boxes are on sale for $5. So if you didn't get last month's box, you know, check it out because it might be on sale. But I hope these are still available because I am going to buy a couple more of these men's boxes. It's totally worth it for $7. I can't believe it because this right here, I think these 2 things right here is well over $7 for that. So I don't know. Target has its hits and misses. I don't always buy the Target boxes, but that's what I like about it because you can pick and choose when you want to get it. So don't forget to always make sure that you have your notifications on that bell rung because I put a lot of things in the community tab once these go on sale because sometimes they sell out really quickly. So that's everything, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share the video if you can so we can get to that 35,000, but we still do have that 30,000 going on right now as long with the eyeshadow palette. It is in another video. And then, like I said, we have a couple more giveaways coming up very, very soon, so make sure that you are subscribed. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below how your day is going and which box do you think won. What is your opinion? Do you like the women's? Do you like the men's? Did you get it? Are you going to get it? Let me know all the tea. All right, guys, as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.